Welcome back to Everyday Insight Channel. Today, we are diving into a super helpful topic, workarounds. You know, those clever little solutions that help us get around everyday obstacles. Maybe you've run into a challenge at work or something at home just doesn't work the way it should, and a quick fix could save the day. So what exactly are workarounds, and how can you come up with your own? What is a workaround? A workaround is basically a creative solution to an unexpected problem. It's like finding a side road when the main road is blocked. It might not be the most direct path, but it gets you where you need to go. Whether it's making a DIY fix, using an alternative tool, or just approaching the problem differently, workarounds are about getting things done without waiting for a perfect solution. Steps to finding workarounds. So how can you find a good workaround? Here's a simple process you can try. Step 1. Break down the problem. First, define the problem clearly. Say your computer program crashes whenever you try to print. Identify exactly what's happening. This helps you zero in on where you might need a workaround. Step 2. Look for similar solutions. Next, think about similar solutions. Has anyone faced this issue before? Check forums, tutorials, or ask someone who might have experience with it. Often, others have already found fixes for common issues. Step 3. Get creative with tools. Now it's time to think outside the box. Could you use different software, a different setting, or even a whole new approach? Creativity is key here. For instance, if your printer isn't working, could you save the document as a PDF and send it to a friend to print? Step 4. Test and adjust. Finally, test your workaround. If it works, great. If not, try to adjust it slightly or even combine different ideas until you find something that fits. Workarounds save the day. And there you have it. Workarounds can turn tricky situations into chances to get creative and keep moving forward. Next time you run into a snag, remember, there's usually a way around it. Thanks for tuning in to Everyday Insight Channel. If you found this helpful, give us a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights on navigating life's little challenges. See you in the next video.